Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by removing power and clearing space so you can work safely. This protects you and the electronics. Once unplugged, take out food, shelves, and the rear kickplate to expose the compressor. Make sure to wear gloves and eye protection as you disconnect small wires and drain any condensate. These steps let you see mounting bolts and refrigerant lines clearly, which speeds the next moves and reduces risk of accidental damage to the system. You must handle the refrigerant first, recover it legally, or arrange a licensed technician. This prevents environmental harm and fines. Once the system is safe, remove the compressor's electrical connectors and mark them so reconnection is foolproof. Then support the compressor with a jack or block. Loosen and remove mounting bolts while keeping the unit steady. Make sure to also detach suction and discharge lines carefully to avoid bending fittings. Steady. Lift the compressor straight up and out, keeping it level so you don't stress pipes or tear insulation. You want a clean removal. Once out, inspect the cradle, mounting pads, filter dryer, and copper lines. Replace any crushed or corroded parts to ensure system longevity. When reinstalling or fitting a new compressor, reassemble in reverse order, evacuate to a deep vacuum, then charge the correct refrigerant amount. If the system won't hold vacuum, check fittings and use soap to find leaks. That single check often solves startup failures.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.